Do you want to learn HTML and CSS and you're tired of watching 6 or 10 hours of courses that you will learn in the end? Try to watch this tutorial. I will teach you how to make a website from the beginning to the expert. And if you want to become master, I will create a master course in another tutorial. Anyway, don't worry, this video I will only teach you the main point of the website and things I delete on important codes that you don't need to use it. Just relax. Before starting, hello guys, my name is Ahmad. I came to teach you the thing I learned and how I create website. Well, after watching this video, you are able to make a simple website. And if you want to become a master, then you can go to watch a master course. But the main point thing I would like to say before I start the lesson is that you can't create a website after watching the direct tutorial. To learn a code, you have to practice. Imagine seeing someone play in like Mortal Kombat or another game. You cannot play professionally right away. You can only do that if you play too much to reach that level, but you will get little by little. Now, after each lesson, I have chosen simple quiz so that you can learn by writing code to help your memory. And instead of watching the video again, try to solve it. Very well, if you're interested, then let's start the lesson. But before that, let's install the coding program first.